Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and this is my update for No One's Home by D.M. Pulley, and this is for Once Upon a Book Club. And Once Upon a Book Club is, I'll link my first video below, but it is a subscription box. I don't get the subscription. I bought one of the mini boxes to see what it was like. And basically what it is you get a book with each box, and you get two little gifties. Scratch that. You get several little gifties that go along with the story. I got two in my box because I got the mini box of a past book. So No One's Home is a ghost story, and how do I feel about it? I'm at page 184 right now. And how I feel about it is I feel like for me it was a little bit slow getting into. It's a creeper. It's a slow burn. I really didn't feel like I got pulled into the story at all until around page 50, and I feel like I didn't get really, invested or involved until over page 100. For me, it was a little bit harder to get into. It's a slow burn. It's the story of these people. This family moves into a house. It's a couple and their teenage son. They move into a house and notice these little things start happening that are strange. And it's, that typical kind of haunted house stuff at first. But it feels like at the point where I'm at, it feels like there's going to be a little bit more. What I do like that they're doing in this book is it goes between the different families that live in this house. It's this giant old house that was built for this rich guy who ends up, he's like living way beyond his means in order to get this house, and everything falls apart for him. He was the original builder of the house, and then it goes different chapters go back and forth in time between the different people, different families that lived in the house. And that part I think is very cool. I see why this book was picked for this Once Upon a Book Club, because it is an easy read, and it is something to where I think a large majority of people could read, and it's got a scary tone, but it's not too much or too intense, so it would be able to reach a wider audience. But that's where it kind of falls for me, because I'm the kind of person, I like my horror weird and I like my horror intense. So for me, it falls a little bit flat, and there are also no characters that I really relate to or like that much. There's a couple likable characters, but none that I like that much. I mean, it's intentional of the characters, but it's not something that, grips me because of that. But I don't hate it. I'm enjoying it, and I want to see where it goes. And right now I'm on page 184, and I have this little paper here saying to open my gift. And right now what's going on in the story is the present day owners. The teenage son is having some problems, and I think this is one of the more interesting stories is going on with the son of the modern day family and his parents, and he has been wakened up. This is in the past, like a couple nights ago, by this voice. His parents are concerned about him, and right now a sound wakes up the dad, and he doesn't know what it is. He sees a ghostly shape. I don't want to give anything else away, but I have a little present here for page 184. So let's open it up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It is a white nightgown. It's really crinkly. I'm sorry. Let me open this package. Okay, this is creepy, and I don't know why. It's a white nightgown, like a robe. It looks like it has this lace detailing on the bottom. And I feel like that a little girl ghost, it walks around in this. Of course, if I wear it, that I might be that little girl ghost, but alive. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so, ooh. So there's lace on the sleeve and lace on the bottom. It's got little ties on the front. I'm just gonna put it on. I don't know if this is supposed to be, this might supposed to be the mom's nightgown too. It's supposed to be as if items out of the book materialize into the real world and enter your life, so that you're kind of experiencing things from the book, which is really cool. I really like that idea. I've got one more gifty down the road. It's page 228 right here. Oh my god. My cat is scratching at the door and it creeped me out because I'm wearing like a ghost nightgown and there's scratching. I don't know if that is my cat actually, now come to think about it, and I'm home alone. But they're scratching at my door. I'm wearing a ghost nightgown right here. And I don't even know. Anyway, hopefully you'll see me again in the next video. And thanks for watching.